Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we will see how to create a Google Forms. Create a new survey and edit it with others at the same time. You can choose from a variety of pre-made themes or you can create your own themes. For this, you can use the free, these features are the free with a Google account. You can use the Google Forms. So first install this Google Forms, okay, or you can directly go to the forms.google. Okay, you can use the any browser and you can go directly to the forms.google, or you can install this Forms app. Okay, so go to the play store and then type Forms app, or you can just type the Google Forms app, and then install this app. I have already installed, so here option is open. I had installed and the icon is here, Forms app. So tap on this Forms app. Here is the two options, Google Forms and Survey Heart. We need now Google Forms. So tap on this Google Forms. See, these are your previous forms. You can see, you can edit this previous form also. If you want to create a new one, then press this plus. Okay, here is a template available. These are the different feedback template: customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, website feedback. If you want to create a form for the website feedback or for the customer satisfaction, you can just select on this. Okay, suppose I want to create the forms about the website feedback. Okay, this is a ready-made template. You can change the questions by tapping here. If you want to add the if you want here, suppose the full name, then you can give this full name, or if you want to change the question and answer type, then you can change. See, these are the different options. If you want to change this question, then you can change it. Okay, you can add the more option here. You can edit this template and you can use this ready-made template. Okay, so see more templates. See, here is a different templates available. Then scroll to the right. Okay, so scroll then right to left. Then here is a template, education template, seminar feedback, instructor feedback, course feedback, post event form, leave form for teacher. Okay, these are the different templates available inside education. So you just tap on this seminar and okay, and here is a different questions. Does the seminar created a valuable impression? If you want to change, you can change it. You can add the more options and you can change this question. Okay, you can use this ready-made template. Again, go back. If you want to save this form as a draft, you can save. I don't want to save, so tap on no. And this health regarding templates, patient feedback, health checkup, these different templates available. Then food related, restaurant feedback, product order feedback. If you want to write the application, then the job application, sign up form, contact form, these are the different template. Then the registration template available, registration form, event registration or donation form, and the template related to the travels and tours. These are the number of template available inside your Google Forms. You can easily use this, and within a second, within a minute, you can create your form. Okay, so tap on a plus for create a blank form. Okay, so and then give the name here. Suppose this is your sample form, then give the name sample. So suppose this is your sample form, then write the name here, sample form 1 2. Okay, write the description here. You can write the instruction here. Okay, after this, then you can write the instruction, and then after this again tap on this plus sign to add a question. Suppose you want to add a question of multiple choice, then you can tap on multiple choice, then write the question here. Suppose your question is how many days in week. See, this is just a sample question. Okay, so add the option. Suppose here is a 1, then add option 3, add option 7, add option 6. Okay, these are the different option. And if you want to make this question compulsory, see, this is one more option. If you don't want this, then just cancel this. Okay, tap on this cross at the end of this. Okay, these are the different radio button. Okay, and if you want to do this question compulsory, then select this. Okay, enable this radio button. Okay, these are the, and then again for the next question, suppose you want one more question, then again go to back first and then tap on this plus. Suppose your next question of short answer type. Okay, and then here you can write okay, suppose this is your question. Okay, this is your next question, suppose. Okay, see, here is express your opinion. Suppose this is also the required question. These are the two questions. So after this, click on the settings, and suppose you want to collect the email address of a participant, just check it. Okay, check and uncheck these check boxes. Allow multiple response. If you are giving the only one attempt, then select this. If you are giving the multiple attempts to your participant, don't select it. Allow respondent to edit the responses after submission. Okay, do you want to allow the respondent to edit their response even after submitting the form? If yes, then only select, otherwise don't check it. Okay, and then after this, show summary. Okay, if you want to allow the respondent to view the summary of all the responses after submit, check it. Okay, and click on a submit. Okay, when we are clicking on a submit, when we are clicking on a submit, the link for sharing is available. Okay, this is your link. Okay, then tap on copy link, or you can share this link by using the Gmail, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter message. Use this share option and you can share your link with these different options. Okay, then if you want to see your form, then tap on view form and you can see. Okay, this is your form. And after selecting the see, here we are collecting the email address. So this is your recipient's view. Okay, this is your participant's view. So participant will entering the email address and then answer of this question, then this. Okay, these three are the all are the required question. Again I am going back to our main window. Okay, and see, here is form. Okay, here is your form, sample form 1 2. This is your form, and you can check the responses of this form. See, here is the option view responses. So tap on this view responses and you can see the responses. If you want to view the form, then tap on view form, or if you want to create a duplicate of this, then use this option duplicate form. Okay, you can, suppose there is a responses, and you can tap here and you can check all the responses. If you want to edit, then you can edit the form by using the option edit form, and here now you can change the your form. Okay, by using this option. See, in this way you can create Google Forms by using the Google Forms app. Install this app and you can use this. You can use the ready-made template available inside your Google Forms. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. If you are using the any other way, you can type in a comment box. Thank you.